Welcome to Ultimate Pro, and today I'm gonna be showing you. Hey guys, I kinda froze in the moment because my friend was like,
Okay,
"Hey,
I just went
dude, can you
silent.
join my club?" I was like, "Sorry,
I
bro,
also
but
randomly
no.
invite from
I have
Mac.
already a group." So I was
So
like
this my
telling them
friend
no,
K, I fan
and
like a
that's what I'm doing here.
member.
So I was like in
I
a
defeated
shocked
him in a
position, so I
battle.
did not talk anything. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe, and
What? I'll do
enjoy
that
the
later.
content.
So today I'm gonna be showing you the greenery of waterfalls. Let's see my team. Anything grown? Nope.
I
am back
just
to
lost
square
my
one
team,
with
guys.
0
I'm so
members.
sad. Please join the team, please.
I don't care.
So, waterfalls has changed a lot. My deck has changed a lot too.
What's this?
Man, if you are watching this, please, again, don't sell these messages.
guy-
I'm already not joining your group.
Should
and please,
I join
recruit
this
other
club?
players to join my
Nah,
group. Please.
I would
I don't want to do that. I want to maintain my own team and to be like a top player. But the thing is, it's not working out for me. But I'm not gonna quit. I believe in myself. I almost said I believe I can fly. As you can see, the waterfalls have changed a lot. And by the way, it's easy battle. The waterfalls have gone more greener, looking start like good. It used to be mostly sandy dome of nothing. Killing people who invade my base, which is a what the? How did I got sun? My ability is not working. These guys, what the hell just happened? B base. Yes, they got A base. Now we're going. Oh, A base and B base are both destroyed. Continue your attack, gentlemen. They're going desperate. Ooh. Oh, good thing I have my ability. Destroy this dude. No. No, player. Good one. Go! Team, go! This guy's getting sorry. I'm not talking that much in my videos because they're not pre-recorded and stuff like that, but I'm gonna be adding some texts. Let's go, yeah! Yes! Woohoo! This is an update video for the waterfalls, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.